The way Makhumalo and Musa used to be so close, nobody ever thought that one day they will be where they are today, guys. Things are not looking up for these two. Things are not looking good. Guys, Makhumalo went and showed Musa the house. The house is massive, beautiful house. Musa is happy, Makhumalo is happy, things like that. Problem started when Musa called Makhumalo for a meeting. Ati Makhumalo, come to Mzumbe, I want to have a word with you. Makhumalo went. And Makhumalo already went there, told herself that I'm not going to participate in this meeting. I'm just going to give Musa my ear and stand up and go. They went into the meeting. Musa was telling Makhumalo that abantu bakabumayeni, they came. He had a meeting with them. They stated their grievances with him and everything. But above all, they were complaining again about Makhumalo because Makhumalo said umntanabo uyasangana. Uthe umayeni is delusional. Hey guys, that thing of delusional, I don't think Mayeni will ever recover from it. I don't think so. Manje, I'm a producer. They are asking Makhumalo that Makhumalo, why did you call Umayeni delusional? Makhumalo says that was the only words that I could think about at that point in time for what was happening at that time, because I was trying to extend an olive branch to Umayeni, and Umayeni didn't want to take it. And I was asking Mayeni, kanti me and you, why are we fighting? What's the problem? And Mayeni didn't want to hear it. This is why I said Mayeni is delusional. So Musa looks like he wants Makhumalo to go and apologize. But he didn't say it. But he was just saying to Makhumalo that the Mayeni family, they are not happy about the word delusional that she used on their child. So the producer asked Makhumalo, do you think you can go and apologize to the family of Mayeni? Yeah. I never thought that word can come out of Makhumalo. Makhumalo uthi angisangani. Uthi angisangani mina ngi-right in my head. Uthi that's the dark years. I will never do such a thing. I'm like, Makhumalo. I never thought Makhumalo can ever say those words. Makhumalo uthi yena akasangani, and she will never go and apologize to that family. And one thing for sure is Umayeni is gonna watch the episode now. It's gonna be fire on top of fire. You guys, Manje Umusa says, now the time that he was in hospital, he had money to pay for the hospital bill, and he told Ulwandle that Ulwandle never release the money for my hospital. These women should pay for my hospital bill because I gave them the money. Musa. Musa Utiena, he had money to pay those bills, but he just wanted the wives to pay. That is why he told Ulwandle that Ulwandle wena, you're not going to release any money from our coffers. So that means Ulwandle is the one who is in charge of what do you call Mtombeni's money. You guys, can't this temple because you've got 5 women, so if one of them can have your money, it's gonna be like, why this one and all that. That is why he's choosing Ulwandle to have his money. Yo guys. But one thing that I didn't like about what he said, Umtombeni. I didn't like it. You know what he said? He says, Makhumalo came into this family and she couldn't give me abantwana, and I stood by her. I stood by her no matter what. But now, a small mistake that I make, she can't forgive me. I mean, really? This thing of Makhumalo not making babies, why should he compare it to ama mistake work? You know? Why? Because Makhumalo is not making babies because she can't and she doesn't have control over it. Yena uyahamba uyofuna number 5. After that uzothi Makhumalo can't forgive me because I've got number 5. But yena because akanabantwana, mina I stood by her. I found it very not right. Whatever that he said about that, it's not right. Makhumalo doesn't have a choice. Makhumalo doesn't have a choice. If Makhumalo could have a choice, she was gonna be having 3 kids, 4 kids by now. So she's I mean, no, man, no. Most sometimes guys, sorry, let's meet on the other video. Bye.